Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is federal funds rate for the US dollar, definitely going to cause some volatility. I will be live streaming for this news event today, so definitely make sure you hit that like and subscribe notification bell so that way you can check out my live stream later for the federal funds rate news. So I still think on the monthly time frame that we are going to trend up. I think most likely it is going to go down a little bit further on the sort of time frames before it does go up, but I do think on the monthly it is eventually going to go up and take out these highs, end up looking something like that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this middle sets in right here is definitely an expanding flat wave 2, higher high wave B, lower low wave C, definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat correction. I think this first push up is a wave 1. I still think this is going to go up, but I think at this point it probably is going to go down, test these lows before it actually does go up to make a more proper looking ABC of 2, and then eventually go up for that big wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we have to admit, which I've been saying for a while, that this move down right here is definitely lower lows, lower highs. I think it's probably a wave A. I think this move up right here is probably a correction. I still think it's a wave B. Today's news could definitely change things. I mean, it could definitely continue the uptrend like I was originally thinking, and the wave 2 could be over and it could just be going on for a wave 3 already. But looking across the board, especially at the US dollar index, I do think that this is more likely to continue down, probably take out these lows, make a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely haven't really broken below the 78%. And if today's news does cause it to go up, break structure, and hold above structure, which is very key, then I would definitely still take it as the end of a correction, and I would definitely still take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. But I have a good feeling today that maybe it is going to go up, but I bet it's going to be a spike reversal, and I bet it's just going to keep on trending down. I bet this move up is just going to be a trap for the bulls. It probably will break structure, which will probably get everybody to go long, but it probably will not hold structure, and it will probably just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had a very, very nice little end of a correction today, which I did take in the members Zoom meeting this morning. Almost a perfect end of a correction right here, right at the 50% fib level. Nice and pulse to move down, entry to go short right there. I just got out of this trade a little while ago, and this was a very, very nice little trade for us. Nice little day trade, getting ready for the news today. And like I said, if the news actually does cause this to go up and break structure and hold above structure, then I would definitely at that point start looking for longs in an uptrend. But unless that happens, I'm definitely going to continue to look for shorts. I think there's a chance maybe it will go up, but it's probably going to be a spike reversal. This news event does cause spike reversals quite often. So the trend is definitely down until proven otherwise, and I'm definitely looking for shorts in the downtrend until I see a reason not to on the higher time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.